funny. Alright, so this is like kind of like another GoPro video, because why the fuck not? It's raining bad! It's still downpouring. I don't understand. I don't get it. Nonetheless, I don't want to go outside. I should, but like I don't right now. And the rain's not gonna stop for like another hour, so or I can go home, or I get out and oh shit, I left my fucking outside. All right, let's go outside. Vegas people don't have umbrellas. My car's messy as shit, so like Vegas people don't have umbrellas like that. We never buy an umbrella, so this is what we're dealing with. Right now. So can I even up? Oh shit. My board's gonna get hella waterlogged. It don't matter now. As you're backing up, bro, learn how to drive. Please. I don't recommend skating in the rain at all, to be honest. I mean, at all. It is bad for your board. My board's already kind of fucked up anyway, so I don't really care like that. It just sucks in general. It just sucks in general. It's just all bad. All bad for your board. Like, holy shit. There's like no grip. Dead ass almost flipped. I'm just gonna try and use just my heels to push on my toes very much. Heel the toe. Who would want to be out here in the rain? Another ollie. As I slip out. Regain my grip. It's scared to like hop tricks, to be honest. I could probably try a kickflip. That's what I was afraid of. Cause like I'm sliding right now. This is dead ass like ass. Rode my board in the rain. Yup. How you guys doing today? Pretty good, pretty good. Cause I was like, I want to get out the house. There's nothing else better to do. My whole board's just like soggy. Let me get this shirt, pharmacy shirt. Get this.
"20 minutes later."
Now I'm afraid to slip again. I almost slipped. Later. I might get some background on the corner over here. It might be a little dry. It is a little dry over here. It's not bad. Alright. Kickflip. No pop. Yeah, this is gonna feel weird. Get a quick kickflip. They're gonna kick me out. I know that immediately. Manny? Heel flip? Didn't even land that. my knee. Oh, I'm okay. Oh, that sucks. Don't skate in the rain. And just like hit the floor. Oh my gosh. Ow. I was told not to skate in the rain. But here I am doing stupid stuff. Alright, for sure. Appreciate it. So we're on the street. So here we are on the street. Why not on the sidewalk? Like, no one else is on the sidewalk anyway. That's why I'm like, what's the issue? But then again, it's downtown Summerlin, like you're most likely to get kicked out for skating in certain spots for too long, so that's why I try to act a little quick as I possibly can. As soon as we get to the car, we're gonna review the items that I just got. Also, shout out Pharmacy Skate Shop in Summerlin. They're dope people. They're amazing. I like going to that skate shop. Ever since I went there the first time, it's just been an amazing experience since I've been there. Support your local skate shops. But anyways, here we have, wow, we got Thrasher. Yeah, I got myself a freaking Thrasher Kleenex as well. Kind of sick though. We have Pharmacy, Lift Fast. I usually wear large items like a large shirt, large hoodies, Kleenex, and like my pant size is like I get like a 30 waist because like I'm skinny, I'm small, sadly. But look at the shirt. I like this. And then on the front, a little font on the front, yes sir, yes sir. And then lastly, the main item that I really wanted to go in there for was just like literally just a skate deck. So I got myself an A5 Pharmacy skate deck, which relatively wasn't even that expensive. It cost around, I want to say around 50. Probably that's where most of the money went to. I'll catch y'all on a sunny day, cause I'm dying. My knee low-key kind of hurt. Pain. What's good, y'all? So welcome back to the second half of this video. I mean, it's been a week since I last skated, but about a couple of days ago I went down to Cali. The Let's Create hoodie, yes sir. I drove down there, had a session out there and stuff. That's gonna be in like the next video, so you'll see some footage of that. I'm just here at the skate park and I'm about to get a little small quick session in. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro and we'll go from there. All right, we filming. You see the hoodie? Let's Create, yes sir, yes sir. So from the last time I skated, I had to fix my bearings because they were like completely just like rusted over, like they did not roll or anything. But since then I cleaned them out and everything. At least they roll okay. Maybe not this one, but like they roll good enough in order to skate and roll around, versus if I were just skating on just rusted bearings. Yeah, I'm not rolling nowhere. I'd stick in one spot. Oh my gosh. A little simple kickflip and shove. Heel flip again. Second try. Let's try tray flip maybe? I ain't got tray flips. Wish I did. Cause I come hella close. And since I knocked my knee, like it feels weird to skate too. I'm not gonna hold you. If anything, I'll probably just roll back the clip of me hitting my knee in the rain. I got on top, but that wasn't the idea at all. was like hella mobbed. That's why I didn't want to get that. This happens when you don't warm up at all. Can I get like a switch ollie? There was no pop. Just slide. Alright, can I try a stationary though? No pop ollie. Yeah, I'm not good at that switch, but like I have to practice it if I want to get switch tricks. You hear that? It's like a dud. And I just stick. Ollie off, and then the video's over because I'm low-key hungry and tired. Yeah, I can. I'm just a bitch. Got my ollie. That's it. Alright. Kickflip. Nah. Recently I've been posting videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So tune out for those 2 days for when I post. Preferably around 2 p.m. is when I upload a video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all take it easy, stay safe, and shout out J Films for the hoodie. Much love.
I'm in the middle of a snowstorm. I don't like